Okay, so in this video, we're going to give you a quick overview of some of the details in the products. So at this point, you should have watched the product creation through templates. So now we'd like to just run through some of the details that are found within that product so that you can better understand what can be done. So you can go to your products tab under status, under inactive. You can find all of those templates, and so let's just choose an Amana 27-inch. And so assuming we want to duplicate this product because we've just purchased one from a supplier of some kind. Here you have your name, the brand is in here, the descriptions with dimensions along with the value of the warranty. Now this value is essentially what is going to be used during the sales process, in which if the customer does not want the warranty, this value would be subtracted from the overall price of the unit. We see here the market value of the product that we're selling, and then just a little disclaimer that the delivery and installation has to be added to the costs that aren't noted here. Next we have tags. In the tags you'll always have a descriptor, something like stainless steel or white or black, something to describe the physical properties of the product, and then also its status. And so the second tag is always the status of the product. So it's either going to be backlogged, in which case it's sitting in the warehouse waiting to be fixed. Under repair, as another one, is when the product is currently being repaired by technicians. And then finally, refurbished is when it's ready to be sold and it can be transferred into actual stock. We have a product type, and so this ranges for all the types of products that Barcelona Appliances sells, and this is based on the overall template that we were given. Next, we have sell on point of sale. So this is either an active or inactive case, and so when this is inactive, that means that it cannot be purchased either online or physically. It can't be searched by the retail purchase POS system. So when it's activated and it's saved, then that's actually being published directly to the online system. And if it was searched on your sales portal, then it would actually be able to be purchased by the customer. And so for anything that's not refurbished and on location of the store it's being sold at, it's always going to remain inactive. Uploading images, this is very simple. You can either drag, drop, or browse in order to upload any kinds of pictures related to the product. For inventory, we really are only going to be using standard products. Products with variants and composite aren't something that fit into what Barcelona Appliance is doing, and so we'll be sticking with standard products. For any of the products created that are outside of templates, you're going to automatically generate the SKU, and so that SKU is what's able to track the product from day to day, and that is really where all the information is saved and traceable from. For Barcelona Appliances, the supplier code are going to be used to track technicians, and so in here you'll have all of the technician names, and so whoever is actually doing the repairs will add their name here, and then in the supplier code, this will envelop the details of what actually happened, so remote replacement or something like that. Tracking inventory is, of course, when it's created, you're going to have to add an initial inventory value. And so almost always this product is going to be added in the warehouse. So you'll almost always be adding one product to the warehouse. Once the product is completely finished and refurbished, then that stock will transfer over, which we'll cover in another video. And finally, you can define what kind of taxes this item is going to have at different outlets, although it's all going to be default based on Barcelona Appliances. And then you have the retail price. So we don't have supplied prices, but you can create a markup. And then finally, the retail final price that the customer sees excluding tax. And so that's basically a quick rundown of exactly all the pieces and all the parts of product.